Welcome back guys to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to change your battery health to 100%. Go to Safari and then search Storebox Plus that VIP and then go search for Battery Pro and install that. Once you've downloaded it, you will see something come up and then you just have to click allow and then click close and then go to your settings, go to profile downloaded and then click install and then enter your password and then click next and click install and then click install once again. And when you check your battery health, so just scroll down in the main settings, go to battery and go to battery health. It will now be at 100% maximum capacity. So that's it. That's how you change your iPhone battery health to 100. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do like this video and subscribe to this channel.